This is our second example for limiting an excess reagent. And this says, what mass of solid product would be expected from the reaction of 25 grams of zinc with 15 grams of sulfur? Now, pure sulfur is going to be S8, and we're going to get as our product zinc sulfide. And so my formula for zinc sulfide is ZnS. And to balance it, I need 8 zincs and 8 zinc sulfides for 1 sulfur. Now, to determine the mass of the zinc sulfide, the solid product, I am going to need to find out which one of these chemicals is the limiting reagent. It will make the smaller amount of this. So the mass of zinc sulfide from zinc is going to be equal to 25.0 grams of zinc, and then I want it to be mole. So I get 1 mole for every 65.41 gram. And then I get 8 zinc sulfides for 8 zincs using the coefficients. And then once I know the number of moles of zinc sulfide, I'm going to use the molar mass, so 97.48 gram for 1 mole of zinc sulfide. So if I take this and I have my 25.0 times 1 divided by 65.41 times 8 divided by 8 times 97.48 divided by 1, I get 37.3 grams of zinc sulfide from zinc. But if I was to go from sulfur and calculate the mass of zinc sulfide, I'm going to take 15 grams of sulfur divided by times mole per gram. This is going to give me moles of sulfur. So 1 mole of sulfur is 256.56 gram. So this gives me the number of moles of sulfur. I get 1 sulfur is 8 zinc sulfide. So this converts the sulfur into zinc. And then once I've got that, I can get rid of the mole and be left with mass. So 97.48 grams is 1 mole. So if I put this in my calculator, I've got 15 times 1 divided by 256.56 times 8 divided by 1, and then times 97.48. And so I end up with 45.6 grams of zinc sulfide if I was using sulfur. Now, sulfur at first glance looks like it might be the limiting reagent because it's the smaller amount. But since it makes more mass of product, this is actually the excess reagent, and zinc is my limiting reagent, and my maximum yield of zinc sulfide is 37.3 gram. So this is your maximum yield. We have leftover sulfur that remains unreacted, and that is the excess reagent.